Hi, this is Bobby, Copel TV Repair, with a quick note with hope that it will help someone. A friend just bought this navigation system, and I honestly didn't know, haven't seen anything like that from Garmin until 10 minutes ago. Model appears to be NuviCam LM. He said it just died totally. Nothing extraordinary while working, putting it in the whatever glove compartment for storage, pulling it out, and it was totally dead. And he said the same thing happened when he first bought it, and he sent it to Garmin, and they said that the fuse was blown, so he brought it in a hope that we will find the fuse inside. This is just in the essence. I opened it up. To open up, you have to take 2 screws from here, they're stars, and 2 screws from the top. And then you have to pry gently alongside those. I'm sorry, I don't have the time to show how that works. Just be careful. I never actually ended up opening it completely, separating in two. On both sides it was open, at the bottom it was open, but it was still stuck in the top. It gave me enough room to operate, look at the back, see where the battery was, measure the battery. It was 3.6 volts, and for the heck of it, I decided to just remove the battery, wait 30 seconds, and then reconnect it back. The unit started, and that's all that there was to repair. I don't know why it hung in the first place. I suspect strongly that holding the power button may have done the same thing, holding it for 20 seconds like for power shutdown. I don't know, I didn't do that, but that's it. Next time if something like that hangs on you, try to just disconnect, remove the battery, connect it back, and it may work. Hopefully that will help someone. Best of luck.